back out to the woods again. We're going to take the pellet guns out, me and my dad, see if we can't get a couple squirrels. Something change pace for a little bit. Not sure how long I'm going to be out today. I've been feeling pretty rough. Been kind of queasy in my stomach. My shoulders hurting me. I didn't go out yesterday at all because I didn't feel good. The weather wasn't very good yesterday either. The wind was all blowing the wrong way for everywhere I had set up. Snowing on and off, and the wind's blowing about 10 or 12 miles an hour, so I just didn't even mess with it. We're going to try to get out there this evening, get a little bit of footage for you all. But y'all hang tight and we'll see you when we get out there. Alright, we finally made it up to the woods. Well, I guess you'd call it the woods. We come up about 50 yards out of the yard. But we're after squirrel. They're everywhere. I say that now, but we won't see a stinking one tonight. You watch. I told Dad on the way up here, I said this will be the night we see that big 50-point buck come by and just stare at us at 10 yards. And that's with our pellet guns. But we're going to set all up in here and see if we can have some fun chasing these things through the woods. It looks like the damn squirrels are going to start doing this just like the deer do. Come out here and look for them and they disappear. The wind's been picking up quite a bit here in the last little bit, so it might have something to do with it, I don't know. I figured the squirrels still be running around trying to find some acorns or something. But we haven't saw any squirrels, we haven't saw any deer. I'll tell you what, if a bird lands around here close enough, he might be in trouble. I'm bored. Seconds and we might have had that one. He let me get pretty close, but he thought he was hid up there. I got about 10 yards from him. You gotta get pretty close to these pellet guns, I'd imagine. I don't know, I've never hunted with them. Well, maybe we'll get the next one. Well, we made it back home. And despite the best intentions, no squirrels were harmed in this video. We only saw the one. I tried to sneak up on it and get a shot at it, but didn't work out. But plus side is, me and my dad got to spend some time together in the woods this evening. So that's always building memories. Kind of reminds you back when you was a little kid, sitting there beside him sitting there telling you to quit breaking sticks, quit moving around, quit making so much noise. Takes you back a little bit. But we're back home. My stomach is absolutely killing me. So I'm going to get out of these clothes and I'm going to go lay down and try to find something to ease my stomach. But as always, guys, thanks for watching. God bless you. We'll catch you the next adventure.